Hello, hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some Panko shake and bake chicken. So, I did a shopping haul. I bought 40 pounds of chicken legs for $21 and some change. Bottom line, when I broke it up into pieces, it came out to 51 cents a piece. So we're going to be using two pieces. That'll be $1.02 worth of chicken, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious recipe. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so I have here 2 eggs that I'm going to mix up like you're going to make scrambled eggs. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of milk. One-third cup of milk. I like Smart milk because the life on it is a little longer, okay, than regular milk. Because I don't always go through the entire half gallon of milk, so this helps me to get to it. Okay, this is the 2 pieces of chicken, 2 chicken drumsticks. As you can see, they're pretty big, and it's 51 cents for each piece when I did up the math. This is 1 container. It is 7 ounces of Panko breadcrumbs I got at Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, so right now the chicken is $1.02 for the 2 pieces, and this is $1, so we're on $2.02. We have 2 eggs. That's maybe another, we'll call it 30 cents. So that's $2.32. How about that? Around there, give or take, okay? Okay, so in the egg wash and on the chicken itself, let's add our seasonings. I have granulated garlic. Putting in the egg wash. Black pepper. No salt substitute. No salt sazon. Okay, now I'm going to add to the egg wash cilantro, dried cilantro. As much as you want with the herbs. Okay, now let me mix this up. Okay, I'm going to turn the chicken over and season the other side. Let me wash my hand. Okay, I'm going to repeat the garlic on the chicken, the black pepper, and the salt substitute. Okay, and I'm using my second package of Sassoon. I'm going to use half of it, and the other half I'm going to put in the breadcrumbs itself. Okay, so now that we have the chicken and the egg wash already ready to go, I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. That's about a cup or a half of this container. And the container is 7 ounces. Okay, so now I'm going to add the rest of the Sassoon because I want the seasoning to be throughout. So if you season the egg wash and the meat, you need to season the breadcrumb too, because the breadcrumb, the seasoning will get lost if the breadcrumb is not seasoned. Okay, now I'm going to also add some paprika to the egg wash. Not the egg wash, to the breadcrumbs, the Panko breadcrumbs. Quite a bit. You want the color to transform from this whitish color to a reddish tint. I'm going to add some more paprika because I'm not getting the color I'm looking for yet. Oh, I'm seeing the reddish tint now. Let me show you. So you can see highlights of red. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to dip the chicken into the egg wash, into the breadcrumb, back into the egg wash, back into the breadcrumb. So let's do that. This is my pan. I already put olive oil in it and have it coated all the way around on the bottom and sides. Okay, so let's do it. Egg wash to wet the chicken. Into the breadcrumbs. Might need to use your hand to help it. Okay, I'm going to put it back into the egg wash again and back into the breadcrumbs. You can definitely see that this is going to really stick by doing that process. Okay, and into my pan. There we go. Okay, let's do the next one. Egg wash, breadcrumbs, back into the egg wash, and breadcrumbs. And I'm using my hand to place it on the spots that I see I need it. Okay, that's what we're looking like. It's 2 very large drumsticks, as you can see. Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay, so now I want to put a couple of drops with my olive oil on top, here and there. Don't saturate it. Okay. And you can see where I put the couple of drops of olive oil on the chicken. Okay, I'm going to bake this in the oven on 400 degrees until the temperature reach 165, and we'll be back. Why don't I give you a quick word of the day, just in case, okay? So a quick word of the day is, you wake up with your brain, you wake up with your body. I'm not saying that it's in the best of shape. It might be in great shape, but at any cost, remember, use what you have, because you can use what you have to get what you want. That's the word of the day. And if you have little, you still use your brain to get more. If you have more, you can use your brain to even multiply that. Use what you have till you get what you want. That's the word of the day. Okay, here's our Panko shake and bake chicken. I dipped it in an egg wash, you know, and the breadcrumbs, and oh, let's taste. I want to get in the picture. Nice. Okay, let me taste. Just gonna cut me a piece right off. Oh boy. Okay. Crunchy, delicious, flavor is there. Please, when you use your Panko breadcrumbs, put the sassoon and paprika in there. That makes all the difference in the world. Talk to you soon. Love you. Subscribe.